Today I will be looking at fractions as division statements, so I can look at fractions in a different way, and I'll know I have it when I can interpret fraction as division statement. So what all fraction is, so for this first one, when we've got 4/5, we know how to represent that as a set model or an area model, but we can also express it as a division statement. So all we do is we interpret the fraction bar as our division statement, or where we would say divided by. So in this case, 4/5 then becomes 4 divided by 5, or we can write that as 4 divided by 5, or we can even set it up as in a fraction traditional box. I know we haven't introduced this yet in class, but we would put the 4 inside and the 5 outside. So 4 divided by 5, generally speaking, you read it straight to bottom, and then it goes like this. So in this other case, we have 1 divided by 2, so that would be 1 divided by 2. And so what I like to do is I see my first digit, knowing that would be like my numerator. I see the fraction or the division symbol, and that's my fraction bar. And then my second number is my denominator. So 1 divided by 2 is the same thing as 1/2. So again, to recap this, if you're given the fraction, you read it from top to bottom, and you can put in a division symbol like this, or you can write it in words, or you can even write it as a fraction problem. So let's move on to our next one. You've got 2 here. I'd like you to pause and solve this problem. Alright, so 3/10 as a division statement. First, I like to just rewrite that as a normal fraction. 3/10. So then I have 3 divided by, for my fraction bar, 10. Or I have 3 divided by 10. Or I have my 3 within my fraction, or my division box, and 10 on the outside. My second one, it says 5 divided by 6 is a fraction, so it would be 5 divided by 6. I like to think of my first number as my numerator, my division bar as my fraction bar, and then 6. So pretty short video for you tonight. You've got a couple bring back to school, 3 different ways. Giving you a fraction, I've given you a division statement, I've given you a division statement for words, and I want that changed into fractions. So review this video, and I will see you in the morning.